and earthquakes in diverse places. We are under a very serious pestilence right now, which is, of course, COVID-19. Whether it's genuine, not genuine, it's out there. There is a sickness going on, and people are getting sick, and we don't deny that. Pestilence, and because of the pestilence, it's causing people to be fearful, and it's going to cause the governments now to do things for your safety. You know what did I say? Well, it's for your safety. And if you don't participate, then you are not taking your responsibility, and you are contaminating other people. So here what? We have to deal with you. And that's what's going to happen. That's what's happening right now. They're going to want to deal with you because of the sake of everybody else. That's what they're saying. Even though right now this hasn't been proven, the stats is not showing that you had a real increase in deaths, across the board. It's showing there that the deaths actually dropped last year. That's strange to me. Somebody had to explain that to me. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Then shall they deliver you up to be afflicted, and shall kill you, and you shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake. They shall deliver you up, only your own loved ones. If this whole vaccines and all these different things, and the kind of talk I hear out there right now about people who are not being vaccinated are the threat and all these kind of things, it's going to reach to the point, if you're not vaccinated or whatever, they're going to deliver you up. But is the vaccine the mark of the beast? No, I didn't say that. And I want to make it very clear. I did not say the vaccine is the mark of the beast, nor do I believe it is the mark of the beast. I want to explain. But the principle, the grooming, is the same principle that is going to apply when the mark of the beast is to be implemented. And this is why we have to start observing what is going on right now. This is why we have to start making our stand based on principle and faith. It comes down to faith. Many might say, well, I had to work, I had to eat. Well, when you had the mark of the beast in front of you, you had to work and had to eat too. Would you take it? These are the choices you're going to have to make. I can't make the choices for anybody. All I can do is give you the word. You have to make the choice. It's your own faith. It's not my faith. You can't say, Pastor, when he said to do this, to do this. No, I will do. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. There are no two ways about that. I've been serving the Lord, and God has been opening doors for me all my life because I know what is coming. I have lived my life knowing what is coming, and I'm going to share more about that just now. Let me read out this here. And then shall many be offended, and shall betray one another, and shall hate one another. And we already get a little taste of that. When you're walking around without a mask, everybody watching you kind of funny. Now it will be the vaccine. You ain't get vaccinated. They go watch you more funny. Then they go start people. Who knows? You don't know what's going to happen in the future. They go start to say, well, who wasn't vaccinated? Tell me, and they're going hunting you down. Many shall betray one another. But we're just talking vaccine here. We ain't talking mark of the beast yet. You understand? Because it's going to head there, and nobody's going to come out and say this is the mark of the beast. You will see what are the characteristics of the mark of the beast just now. And many false prophets shall arise, and shall deceive many, and because of iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold. And the love of many are already waxing cold. Because of pandemic and all these different things, people, family, loved ones are afraid to visit loved ones. And I understand, yes, you have to prevent this and whatever, but come on, you have your own brother and sister. We ain't talking friends and distant people, you're talking about friends and your loved ones. That you could take precaution. Some of them even want to take the precaution that the government shall give the guidelines to go and visit their own loved ones. Isn't that the love of many waxing cold? Because if you really love your loved ones, you'll go and see them. Even if you had to take precaution, even if you had to put on your mask and keep your distance and whatever, you will still go and see them. But that is dying out. And people need to be careful because the word of God is coming to pass. But he that shall endure unto the end shall be saved. And this gospel of the kingdom shall be preached in all the world for a witness unto all nations, and then shall the end come. But beloved, this gospel is being preached into all the ends of the world. All over the world, people hearing the word of God. They have internet. Now, let me show you something. When we turn to Revelation chapter 13, Revelation 13 from 15. Let me just take a look at that. Because I have to keep reminding folks in Faith in the Word, because you are my concern. The world is not my concern. Folks in Faith in the Word, you are my concern. And we're talking about the Antichrist and the mark of the beast. Now we're talking about the Antichrist. And it says, and he had power to give life unto the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause that as many as would not worship the image of the beast should be killed. And there is little hints inside here when they talk about the image of the beast, but both killed. And a lot of folks are now realizing that is what do they call it? Artificial intelligence. IA. Artificial intelligence. And right now the world is grooming to work and to be governed by artificial intelligence. The whole war, they're having hacking. Different countries hacking different countries, shutting down meat plants and all these different things right now to create an economy starvation, starve the people, shut down this, because everything is running artificial intelligence. That's the world we live in. It's an artificial intelligence. Everything is artificial intelligence. Anybody who knows anything about technology knows this is how the world is operating. And it says, the image of the beast, and to give life to the image of the beast. Not the beast, but the image. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bound, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, that no man might buy or sell save he that has the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. You see the characteristic? No mask, no service. No vaccine, no service. You see a pattern here? Are you all seeing a pattern here? The mark is going to bring the same thing. But if it is that we do not stand now on principle, this is like a practice test. When you're doing common entrance, you just do a practice test and you just do a real test. So you just see based on your practice test, if you have passed or you fail, so they're going to know how to improve for the real test. We'll be in a practice test right now. And they're going to take faith to get through. Now, some might say that, so Pastor, if the vaccine is not the mark of the beast, I understand the mark of the beast and I'm not going to take the mark of the beast, but for right now I need to work. Right? But then, are you taking the vaccine because it is working and preventing the virus, which is what the vaccine is supposed